Hi, this is Ravi Kumar working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this session, we will discuss about the introduction to cloud computing. What is cloud computing? What is the use of cloud computing? How to implementing the cloud computing technology in our own industry or organization or individual. Then, what is the purpose of cloud computing? We will discuss in this session. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is mainly used for storing the huge amount of data and providing the more number of services through the internet. So it is the one platform in the internet we can able to store the huge amount of data, and through this environment we can able to access the different levels of services. The main aim of this is used for storing the large amount of data, and technology has been delivered computing as a utility. Utility computing describes a business model for on-demand delivery of computing power. Consumers pay providers based on usage. That is called as pay as you use. So what we used in the cloud environment, we can pay only for that usage. So different types of services and different types of storage we can able to use from the cloud environment. So only we can able to pay for what we used in the cloud environment. This is one of the bigger advantages of in the cloud environment. What is cloud? Cloud is a collection of computers and servers that are publicly available via internet. Clouds are typically owned by third party. So what is the meaning of this? The third party is maintained by the cloud environment. So all the control is by the third parties. So we can able to access the cloud environment with the control of third parties. Then definition of cloud. Cloud is a parallel and distributed computing system consisting of a collection of interconnected and virtualized computers that are dynamically provisioned and presented as one or more unified computing resources based on service level agreements. So what is service level agreement? Different types of services are available in the internet in the cloud environment. So what we need, what customer need, they can subscribe that services. So all the services providing the different levels of supports to the users, maybe that storage services or any platform services or any infrastructure services. So what user need, they can subscribe their own ways. So what we subscribe, we can pay only for that subscriptions. Clouds are a large pool of easily usable and accessible virtualized resources such as hardware, development platforms and services. Then the storing of data and application on remote servers and access them via the internet rather than saving or installing on own personal or office computers. Cloud computing is a type of internet based computing. Key properties of cloud computing is user centric, task centric, powerful, accessible, intelligent and programmable. The architecture of cloud computing we will discuss in here. The cloud computing environment providing the different levels of services like application service, platform service or infrastructure service. In the application service, for example, monitoring applications, any applications, monitoring application, content applications, collaboration applications, communication applications and finance applications. So like these applications is supported by the cloud environment. Some of the platforms are provided by the cloud environment. That is, platform is used for developing the any application using our own personal computers. We can use the already existing platforms in the cloud environment. Then infrastructure as a service. So if we are not having the enough infrastructure in our personal computer or office computer, we can use the infrastructure like a computer or block of storage or networks. We can use this infrastructure services from the cloud environment. These services are accessible by the what are the devices are connected in the internet, maybe a phone, laptop, servers, desktop or tablets. Then individual users connected to the cloud from their own personal computer or portable devices. To those individual users, the cloud is seen as a single application, devices or documents. The hardware and corresponding software is invisible to the users. Then cloud architecture, in here user using the user interface and system management softwares and provisioning services to communicate with cloud servers. The cloud servers are interconnected with the all the available computing and storage devices in the internet. Cloud service models are three major services we have access through the cloud environment. First one is software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Software as a service. Software as a service allows user to run an existing online applications. Cloud providers install and operate application software on the cloud, and cloud users can access the software from cloud clients. Then advantages of software as a service: it is the free or paid via subscriptions. What are the softwares we want in our personal computer or organization? We can subscribe that depending on the service level agreements. Then accessible from any computers. But all that, if we want to access the cloud environment, that system, that device must want to be connected with the internet. Then examples for software as a service: Google Apps, Dropbox, Salesforce, Cisco, Webex, something like this. Then platform as a service, it allows user to create their own cloud applications using supplier specific tools and languages. This platform is available in the cloud environment. Using that cloud environment, we can develop the any application in our organization computer or personal computers. Advantages of platform as a service: rapid development at low cost. So how it will be a low cost? So no need for installing the any platform in our own personal computers. So we can access that through the cloud environment. Then examples of platform as a service: AWS, Elastic, Beanstalk, Force.com, Google App Engine, like this. Then infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service allows the user to run any application. They can utilize the cloud hardware of their own choice. We can use the any infrastructures, maybe a computer or computing devices or network devices or storages. So we can use that infrastructure facility through the cloud environment. Examples of infrastructure as a service: Amazon Web Service, we can call that as EC2 service. Then Rackspace, Microsoft Azure, Cloud, Google Compute Engine, GCE. Then some of the examples for infrastructure as a service: storage as a service, compute as a service, network as a service, desktop as a service, communication as a service. Then popular cloud service providers are Google, Amazon, Rackspace, GoGrid, Microsoft, VMware, Force.com. Some of the advantages of cloud computing: less expensive, no need of software installation, instant software updates, lower IT infrastructure, fewer maintenance cost, high performance, ultimate storage, comfortable document format, universal document access. These are all the some advantages of cloud environment. If you're using the cloud environment, so we have the so many benefits, and what we use we can pay for that only. Thank you so much. We will discuss another one topic in the next session.